In last video we were finding the unknown matrix of the given equation, but in this video we will try to find the unknown element of the given equation. How you're going to solve them? Yes, there are different procedures to solve these two different type of questions. So in this video we will discuss how to find the unknown element. Yes, so before moving forward I want to show you this question which is here. Yes, minus 2, 3, 4, minus 1, which is getting multiplied with 1x, 5, 2, 4x, and it is again getting multiplied with minus 3, 1, 0, which is equals to 2 minus 14 transpose. So as we have more elements or more matrices in our left hand side, so we'll consider left hand side first. So for left hand side we are going to multiply them. We multiplied this one with this one. First I figure out the order. Okay, this is 2 into 2 and this is 2 into 3. It means that they both can get multiplied. If first write the order, if you think they are getting multiplied, just write it then, that whatever the answer is. If you think that the order is not same, the inner part is not same, just directly write the answer is not possible. Okay, yes, I multiplied them. First row is getting multiplied with first column, minus 2 multiplied with 1 plus 3 multiplied by 2. Then first row is getting multiplied with second column, minus 2 multiplied by x, 3 multiplied by 4, and the plus sign which will remain there. Then you have minus 2 multiplied by 5 and plus 3 multiplied by x. Then 4 multiplied by 1, minus 1 multiplied by 2. Second row is getting multiplied with second column, 4 multiplied by x, minus 1 multiplied by 4, and you have plus sign in between. Next up you have second row, third column, 4 multiplied by 5 plus minus 1 multiplied by x, and you have the one single matrix written over here, minus 3, 1 and 0. What you're going to do, how you're going to solve it further? First we are going to simplify this matrix, this big matrix. Okay, to simplify this, I got minus 2 multiplied by 1, I got minus 2, 3 multiplied by 2, plus sign will remain here, 3 multiplied by 2 will give you 6, minus 2x, because variable is not getting multiplied, 3 multiplied by 4 is 12, minus 2 multiplied by 5 is 10, and 3 multiplied by x is 3x, plus sign will be there. 4 multiplied by 1 is 4, plus का sign, and then plus and then minus 2, plus minus अगर plus लिख के चाहे तो उस तरीके से इसको और extend कर लें, but I did it because plus minus is minus, so I directly write minus over here and minus 2. 4x plus minus minus, and then what I got, 4. Then I have 4 multiplied by 5. 4 multiplied by 5 is 20, plus minus again minus 1 multiplied by x is 1x. Again this matrix will come as it is, minus 3, 1 and 0. Again I have to simplify this because I can think that this can get simplified more. So I took minus 2 plus 6 will give you 4, because minus 2 plus 6, because the sign of the greater value is plus, that's why here is plus. Now we have minus 2x plus 12. It will come here as it is because x is not getting solved. Then you have minus 10 plus 3x, minus 10 plus 3x. 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 will give you 2, because 4 is positive and 2 is negative, and how you're going to solve is you're giving the value of a greater number. 4x minus 4, it will come as it is. Then next up you have 20 minus 1x. Okay, if you're writing 1, it's perfectly fine. If you're not writing 1, it's perfectly fine, because 1 itself doesn't have a value, doesn't change the value. So if you're writing x, it's perfectly fine. If you're not writing x, instead of it you are writing 1x, it's fine that way also. Minus 3, 1, 0 matrix will come as it is. Now we have simplified it and we have another matrix. I wrote the order. This is 2 multiplied by 3, 3 multiplied by 1. This is the order. Do you think I can multiply it? I think, because the inner part is same. The inner part is same, beta. So what I did, 4 first row multiplied with first column. 4 multiplied by minus 3, minus 2x plus 12 multiplied with 1, then again plus ka sign, minus 10 plus 3x is getting multiplied with this 0. Now second row first column, because you have only one column, 2 multiplied by minus 3, 4x minus 4 multiplied with 1 plus 20 minus x is equals multiplied with 0. ये मेरे पास आ गया. Now I have to simplify this. 4x minus 3 will give you minus 12. Now minus 2x plus 12 multiplied with 1, it will remain the same, minus 2x plus 12. If something is getting multiplied with 0, it will end up giving you whole 0. Now 2 multiplied by minus 3 will give you minus 6. 4x minus 4 will give you 4x minus 4, because 1 doesn't change the value. Then you have 0. 0 will come as it is, because it is not, it is actually making the whole term 0. It is not adding anything towards it. Now we'll write it openly. Now minus 12 आ गया, minus 2x and plus 12 मैंने as it is लिख दिया. Now you have minus 6, 4x minus 4. ये प्लस 12 और माइनस 12 ये दोनों कैंसिल आउट हो गए, बिकॉज दे कैन गेट कैंसल्ड आउट विद ईच अदर. अगर दोनों सेम नंबर्स हो और उनके पास ऑपोजिट साइंस हो तो यू कैन कैंसिल देम. सो आई सिंपली कैंसल्ड देम. मेरे पास क्या बचा, माइनस 2x. यहाँ पर 4x मेरे पास आया. माइनस 6 और माइनस 4 को मैंने जब इनको सॉल्व किया, सो आई गॉट माइनस 10. व्हेन यू हैव सम नंबर्स विद सेम साइंस, दो नंबर्स जब उनके सेम साइंस होते हैं बेटा, तो दे एंड अप गेटिंग एड, बट द साइन विल कम ऑफ ग्रेटर वैल्यू. और ग्रेटर वैल्यू क्या थी, 6 का साइन क्या है, माइनस. सो दैट वाई आई पुट माइनस ओवर हियर. अच्छा, तो वो आंसर मेरे पास आ गया लेफ्ट हैंड साइड का. नाउ वी हैव टू सॉल्व राइट हैंड साइड, बिकॉज राइट हैंड साइड के ऊपर हमें एक ऑपरेशन अप्लाई करने को दिया गया है. यू हैव 2 minus 14 and its transpose. When you took the transpose, what will you get? You get rows is converting into column, 2 and minus 14. rows से ये column में convert हो गया. अब मैंने आगे कर दिया left hand side is equals to right hand side, so I wrote them like this. Then minus 2x is equals to 2 and 4x minus 10 is equals to 14. Exactly like this I have just written them over here. Equation 1 and equation 2. Now by using equation 1, what I can do, मैंने कहा भाई ये equation, this one is little easy as compared to equation 2, so I just have to find out the value of x. So I took it, minus 2x is equals to 2, which is, so again I divided it. Minus 2 was here, so I moved it here by dividing it. If something is getting multiplied over here, it will move here by getting divided. If something is getting divided over here, it end up getting multiplied over here, which we have discussed in our last video. So minus 2x is equals to 2. Minus 2 is coming on the right hand side and it is getting divided with 2, so it will give you minus 1. अब ये मेरे पास आंसर आ गया. आई डोंट नो वेदर इट इज़ राइट और रॉन्ग. व्हाट आई एम सपोज टू डू फॉर चेकिंग इफ़ माई आंसर इज़ राइट और रॉन्ग. सो आई टुक माई वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स एंड आई पुट इट इन इक्वेशन 2. इक्वेशन 2 के अंदर डायरेक्टली आई जस्ट इंसर्टेड द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स. जैसे ही मैंने आंसर में पुट किया, आई हैव 4x minus 10, एक्स की जगह minus 1 एंटर किया. सो व्हाट आई गॉट, minus 4 minus 10 विच इज़ इक्वल्स टू 14. minus 4 और minus 10 को ऐड किया, साइन ग्रेटर वैल्यू का आया, आई एंड अप गेटिंग 14. This is what it is written on the right hand side. It means that this is my solution and this is my answer, and my answer is minus 1 and the solution is correct. Now after doing this, you can solve on your own this question number 12. This is the question. You can solve it on your own, so you can know that how you are going to find the unknown value. It will help you out. This is the question where you have to find x, y, z and b. It is very simple, very easy. You can solve it on your own by using the same concept of finding unknown elements. So now you're going to solve question number 19 on your own, which is exactly similar, where you have a is given. You have to find out a square, then you have to add that square thing in a. This is your left hand side. On the other hand, you are getting the identity matrix, where it is written that unit matrix is of 3 into 3. It means that everything will have ones in it, and first you are going to add them, and then what you're supposed to do, you are going to multiply it with a. You can do it on your own, and if you find anything difficult, you can ask me. This is the end of the video.